Today, we're diving into the most expensive megaprojects set to complete in 2025. These engineering marvels are reshaping skylines, revolutionizing infrastructure, and pushing the limits of human ambition. From record-breaking skyscrapers to futuristic transport networks, these projects are nothing short of extraordinary. Let's get started. First up, we have Jeddah Tower. Set to become the tallest building in the world, this architectural wonder in Saudi Arabia is expected to reach a staggering 1,000 meters, over 3,280 feet. Originally plagued by delays, construction is now back on track, and the tower is expected to finally top out in 2025. With a cost exceeding $1.5 billion, Jeddah Tower will redefine luxury living with state-of-the-art apartments, world-class hotels, and an observation deck that will be the highest on the planet. But more than just a landmark, this tower is the centerpiece of the Jeddah Economic City, a $20 billion development designed to transform the region into a global business hub. Next, let's talk about the Grand Egyptian Museum. After nearly 2 decades in the making and an investment of over $1 billion, this long-awaited cultural treasure is set to open its doors in 2025. Located just outside Cairo, near the iconic pyramids of Giza, this museum will house over 100,000 artifacts, including the complete collection of King Tutankhamun's treasures. Designed to be the largest archaeological museum in the world, it promises to revolutionize how we experience ancient history. With cutting-edge technology and immersive exhibits, the Grand Egyptian Museum will not only attract millions of tourists, but also cement Egypt's status as a global heritage leader. Shifting gears to transportation, we have the highly anticipated California High-Speed Rail. Set to connect major cities across California, this ambitious project is part of the state's effort to create a fast, efficient, and sustainable mode of transport. While the full system is expected to take longer, the first segment between Bakersfield and Merced is scheduled to open in 2025. With speeds of up to 220 miles per hour, this bullet train will slash travel times, reduce highway congestion, and cut carbon emissions. The total cost? A jaw-dropping $128 billion. Though controversial due to its high price tag and delays, the California High-Speed Rail represents the future of American transportation. Now, let's head to Asia, where China's Chengdu Tianfu International Airport is making headlines. Set to be fully completed in 2025, this mega airport will handle up to 90 million passengers annually, making it one of the largest in the world. With a cost of approximately $11 billion, it's designed to ease congestion at Chengdu's existing airport and position the city as a major global aviation hub. The airport's cutting-edge facilities, including high-speed rail connections and AI-powered security, make it a model for next-generation air travel. Speaking of infrastructure, the Fehmarn Belt Fixed Link is another massive project nearing completion. This 18-kilometer underwater tunnel will connect Denmark and Germany, dramatically reducing travel time between the two countries. Expected to open in 2025, this $8 billion project will be the world's longest combined road and rail tunnel. By cutting travel time from 5 hours to just 2, the Fehmarn Belt Fixed Link will revolutionize European transport and boost trade across the continent. Back in the Middle East, Saudi Arabia's Red Sea project is nearing its first phase of completion. With a budget of $5 billion for Phase 1 alone, this luxury tourism development spans over 90 pristine islands and promises to be a game-changer for sustainable travel. Designed to attract high-end tourists, the project features eco-friendly resorts, smart city technology, and renewable energy solutions. With sustainability at its core, the Red Sea project aims to set new standards for responsible tourism while diversifying Saudi Arabia's economy. But before we continue, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest marvels happening in the world. Dubai's Museum of the Future is another landmark on this list. While technically opened in 2022, final enhancements and expansions are set to be completed by 2025. This $136 million architectural masterpiece is more than just a museum. It's a hub for innovation, artificial intelligence, and future technologies. housing interactive exhibits on space exploration, climate change, and human augmentation, the Museum of the Future is shaping the world of tomorrow. Let's not forget India's Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link, an ambitious $2.2 billion sea bridge that will connect Mumbai to Navi Mumbai. Expected to open in 2025, this 21.8-kilometer bridge will be India's longest sea crossing. By significantly reducing travel time and easing congestion, it will revolutionize urban mobility in one of the world's busiest cities. The Istanbul Canal, a $15 billion artificial waterway in Turkey, is another game-changer. Aimed at reducing congestion in the Bosporus Strait, this canal is expected to reshape global trade and urban development. Its completion in 2025 will mark a milestone in Turkey's economic expansion efforts. Another highly anticipated project is the Jakarta-Bandung High-Speed Railway in Indonesia. This $8 billion investment will bring the country's first bullet train, cutting travel time between these two major cities from 3 hours to just 40 minutes. With speeds reaching 350 kilometers per hour, 217 miles per hour, this rail line is set to transform regional connectivity. Meanwhile, the Sydney Metro City and Southwest in Australia is a $12 billion expansion that will revolutionize the city's metro network. With a focus on efficiency and sustainability, this project aims to ease congestion and improve daily commutes for millions. And let's not overlook the Riyadh Metro in Saudi Arabia. With a price tag of $22.5 billion, this extensive metro system will feature 6 lines covering 176 kilometers, making it one of the largest public transport projects in the world. It's set to significantly reduce traffic congestion and modernize urban mobility in the capital city. In Japan, the $55 billion Maglev Chuo Shinkansen is pushing the limits of speed and technology. Using magnetic levitation, this ultra-fast train will connect Tokyo and Nagoya in just 40 minutes, reaching speeds of 500 kilometers per hour, 311 miles per hour. The first phase is expected to be operational by 2025, ushering in a new era of high-speed travel. In the U.S., the Hudson Tunnel project is set to improve transportation along the busy Northeast Corridor. With a budget of $16 billion, this critical infrastructure upgrade will enhance rail capacity between New York and New Jersey, addressing long-standing congestion issues and modernizing one of the busiest transit routes in the country. Adding to this list, the Lusail iconic stadium in Qatar, which hosted the 2022 FIFA World Cup final, is undergoing further enhancements and will be fully completed in 2025. The stadium, costing over $767 million, is designed to be a multi-purpose venue that will host international sporting events, concerts, and large-scale conferences, cementing Qatar's place as a global events destination. Finally, let's talk about the new Manila International Airport in the Philippines. This $15 billion project is set to be one of the largest airports in Southeast Asia, with the capacity to handle over 100 million passengers annually. By reducing congestion at Manila's existing airport, this mega project will significantly boost tourism and trade in the region. These mega projects showcase the power of human innovation and ambition. Whether it's breaking world records, transforming cities, or pioneering sustainable solutions, 2025 is set to be a landmark year for engineering and infrastructure. Which of these projects excites you the most? Let us know in the comments.